That is so satisfying. These pieces are fun to play with. Hey everybody, Rebecca here, and I have found an awesome print to bring in the new year. So happy new year everybody, and I hope you are looking forward to 2025. This is a 3D print I found on Maker World for a perpetual calendar, and it's really cool. It's a really nice model. And on my A1 Mini, it ended up being 4 plates, so it takes quite a while to print, but it's going to be worth it. And I have all the pieces here, and we'll put it together. And I think I've got mine put together pretty well. The days of the week will flip really well, and the numbers, I may end up having to come back and tweak them a little bit just to make sure that they are moving well. But I had fun putting this together too, even with some help from the cat. The cat enjoyed playing with the pieces too. So I really hope everybody is doing well, and I'm so excited about the new year. It's always a nice fresh to start something new. But I do want to just thank each and every one of you for 2024. I love my little space out here on the internet, and I'm so glad each of you have found me and watched some videos here and there. And I hope that you will continue to do so. I hope that the titles and playlists will help clue you in the things that you're interested in. I have lots of different hobbies and interests, and so my channel is kind of all over the place, but that's okay. I'm going to continue to be like that probably for 2025 as well. So, but truly a big thanks to each and every one of you. My little channel did get monetized in 2024. It took a long time. I've been out here for 3+ years, but I have monetized the channel, so watch some ads. And certainly it's not my retirement gig yet. I will not be doing this full time anytime soon, but it does help to have a little bit of cents here and there coming in to help support all my hobbies. And I just really feel creativity is so important, and it's good for our mood, it's good for our mind, and it's just so much fun to always have a project in the works and something to think about and plan. And these models that I'm discovering out here for the 3D printing world are just so cool. So I will put a link down below to this particular model that I used, so you can come over and find the artist and support them. But again, just enjoy the video here, the last few seconds of putting my version together. And let me know if you have any questions, but I think you'll find some good info on the link below. But here we are, looking forward to 2025. So I wish you many blessings for the upcoming year, and hopefully we'll be able to have lots of creative time and lots of fun projects to look forward to. So thanks for watching, and we'll finish out here with just getting the last of these pieces put together, and a really cool model. Again, whatever colors of filament you have, you can adjust the colors and print yours out in the format that you like. And these numbers, I think I've got everything in the right order. They are not quite rotating as smoothly yet, but I think with a little bit of time, and I may have to come in and move some of those tiles around a bit, but I think it's going to be okay. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you again very soon with the next project.